What's up, everybody? Uso back again with a video. Alright, guys, I got a $60 session, and this is the newest ticket, just came out, this Power 8's. And also my favorite ticket that I hit a claimer on is $250 million cash explosion. So before I get to this, I just want to say thank you to Miss Money, and she sent a keychain. Yeah, I'm doing one-handed right now, so I don't know if you could see it. This is from Miss Money, and then she's as a scratcher. Man, I know it's blurry, but anyways, I just want to thank you, Miss Money, for sending this over. I really do appreciate that, and your friendship. And she also says, thank you very much for your support, and I appreciate your help. I hope the keychain and the scratcher bring you luck. Please stay safe, Miss Money. Thank you, Miss Money. And this is the letter she wrote. Thank you so much. All right, so new ticket, new scratcher. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, so $60 session. Like I said earlier, I got tickets number. Back. Sorry. I forgot I still have my shades on. I didn't get my reading glasses on. All right, so I got tickets 16 through 13. They go backwards on this ticket, so we're gonna start off with Coach Howard right there, number 16. All right, and also we got this new well, not new, but it's been out almost a month already, and this is the ticket that I hit my second claimer on, and this brand new pack in the machine, starting off with black box GKRs 29 and 28. All right, okay, we're gonna start off with the Power 8's. This one just came out. All right, it says scratch entire player ever revealed at number 8. Oh, and this is the reason why it's gonna be my favorite ticket, because it's my number 8. Oh boy. All right, 8 symbol is an auto win, double 8's, double the prize, and this Power 25 bonus ever. Looking for that lightning to win $25 instantly. All right, so this is almost like the same thing as the Power 5's that they had just recently. Oh, and the overall odds is 1 in 3.77. All right, let's go. Okay, we're gonna scratch with the new scratcher from Miss Money. Thank you, Miss Money. All right. All right, nothing there. So all we're looking for is the number 8 and the double 8's. All right, nothing there. That's okay. Still get the bonus area. Come on. Just looking for that lightning. All right, so no 8's on this one. Thanks, Coach. Thanks, Coach, for trying. And look at this ticket number 15. You got that big old white line right there for you white line fans. All right. Come on, number 8. Nope. And negative. All right. Scratch is really good, Miss Money. Come on. Okay. Come on, guys. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. And nope. negative. Oh, we got a double. Nice. All right. Yep. Ching ching. Come on, 25. Lightning, lightning, lightning. And nope. All right. Let's see what we got. Not bad. $10. All right. My first win on this new ticket. All right. Okay, so ticket number 12, 13. Last ticket. Go on. And no. All right. Bonus area. Lightning. Come on, lightning. When they had the Power Fives, when it first came out, I would say like a month later, I found a power spot. And ever since after that, never defound it. All right, so this ticket is not a win. All right, so we got 1 out of the 4 tickets. So I got $10 back. Oops, sorry. All right, so we'll start off with the black box. All right, new pack in the machine. That's pretty awesome. Okay, match any of the numbers to the win numbers, win the price shown. Find that sack, win $100 instantly, 20x, 20 times the price. And this ticket just came up recently, and I already found both, and I got a claimer. Whew, that was awesome. All right, guys. Oh, and the odds is 1 in 3.10. Wish me luck. Starting off with the 30-30. Negative. 29. GQR's 29-29. Nope. And Hawaii 5-0. Whew, negative. All right. That ticket's not a... All right. Last ticket. Ticket number 28 for this session. Starting off with 21. 34. Nope. 39. Nope. 31. Ay, 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 ay. Alright, guys, I'll be right back. So, I lost 29 to 28. And I went back, I got 27. Alright, guys, come on. Wish me luck, wish me luck. Starting off with that 40. 42. 49ers got a match. Another match. Oh, I got 2 44s. Okay. 25. Nope. 32. I got a 32 here. And my number 8. Negative. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 matches. All right, let's see what we got. Come on. Hundo, let it be a hundo, let it be a hundo. Ah, $5. Oh, random rares 32. Nice. have the 44. And then my 49ers. $20. All right. All right. So we got 60, 70, and 80. So I spent $80. And I got $30 back. All right, guys. Yeah, this end of session is right here. So just want to thank you, Miss Money, for sending these out. I really do appreciate it. All right. Please go check her out. All right. Thank you all for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you all on the next video. All right.